Alright, there is this common belief among surface pattern designers who work on Procreate is that your surface pattern design tile has to be a square, which is completely false. If you are new here, my name is Esther Nariyoshi. I am an illustrator based in the US. In this video, I will show you what is the true requirement for a perfect repeating tile. What makes a pattern pattern? Well, the true essential for a repeating tile to work is that the left side has to meet exactly with the right side, and the top side has to meet exactly with the bottom side. That's it. Notice that I didn't mention anything about length because that's not relevant. As long as your left neighbor has the same edge as the right neighbor and the top has the same as the bottom, you're good to go. So as a surface pattern designer, all you need to do is to really understand your own creative style, understand your leading motifs for this pattern and what it calls for, and decide your pattern tile from there. For example, in this pattern where there are some cute cats, but you notice the overall flow is very vertical. So I do not need to populate my repeating tile to a square in order to communicate what I want to. I only need a few pillars on my tile and a few cats peeking from left or to the right, and I already have this repeating tile working. And for this example, it's pretty simple, and you can tell the overall flow is very horizontal. So I do not need to populate my entire square with this motif. I only need to repeating a few of them to create a sense of variety. That's all I need. So my tile is wider than its height. For this particular example, my motif is very symmetrical, but it does not fit in a square. So the final repeating tile, as you can see, is taller than its width. So really think about what kind of overall composition you want to achieve before you decide the tile size. When you're working on Procreate, you can start with whatever canvas size and then even crop your canvas later if you discovered your motif needs either taller or wider canvas or a repeating tile to fit it in. So you don't have to constrain yourself into a square. Because of the square limitation is untrue, a lot of my surface pattern design students find it a big relief to know that they can draw however they want and not everything has to fit on the same square. If you're just dipping your toes into the surface pattern design world, I have just the perfect tutorial for you right here. In this tutorial, I show you from the beginning to the end how to make this surface pattern in just under 10 minutes. And on my website, pinned in the comment below, I have 10 such classes, all making variety of patterns under 10 minutes. So I hope you really will have fun and not have to think about how you can make your drawings fit in a square. I will see you in the next video.